Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to part two of Color Carpet Time. Now, I wanted to read this story to you also because it's really cool. There's really cool pictures, and it's about turtles. In fact, it says turtles from eggs to ocean. This is a science article, which means it's nonfiction, means it's real. It gives facts about turtles. So everything that we read in here is going to be real. Now, before we get started, I want to give a little reading tip. Over here on the page next to us, it says use context clues. What does that mean? Well, that means when you're reading a sentence and maybe you come across a word that you don't know, that you don't know the meaning of. You're not sure what it means. Well, you can use the rest of the words in the sentence to help figure out that word. You kind of use the rest of the words as clues. So for example, this one over here, there's these blue things and it says there were 5 eggs in the duck nest. Now, I don't know what nest means. So let me see. There were 5 eggs in the duck nest. Where would 5 eggs go? Where would a duck put their 5 eggs? Maybe in their home. So maybe the nest is like a home. Yeah, well, we find out later on when we look it up that a nest is a place where ducks lay eggs. So you could use the words around the word that you're unsure of as clues. They're called context clues. All right, so let's take a look. Turtles from eggs to ocean. This is by Mariana Fuentes. This is a cool picture of some really tiny, just hatched from the eggs, baby turtles. Okay, let's take a look here. Look at this. She's holding one. Look at her. And there's her name, Fuentes. So she is the one who wrote this story. And it says, I am Mariana Fuentes. I study sea turtles. And down here, it tells us that sea turtles live in many places around the world. Turtles can lay over 100 eggs. That's right, over 100. And here's a turtle laying eggs. Look at all those eggs. Wow. Sea turtles live in water, but they lay eggs on land. How about that? Oh boy, there's some cool pictures coming up, aren't there? Let's take a look what we have over here. All right, look at this big guy coming in to the water here, or into the sand, actually. Turtles cover the eggs with sand. Ah, so this is the mama turtle, and she's covering the eggs with sand. Turtles make nests for their eggs in sand. They make a hole and lay eggs. The eggs will hatch in about 2 months. Okay. All the turtles hatch at the same time. They will soon grow to be adult turtles. They can live to be 80 years old. And when they hatch, they run to the ocean. And there's pretty cool videos that you could find online about this. These turtles, they go running to the ocean. They have to get there fast. Okay, and so that was our short story that I wanted to share with you about our sea turtles. Hope you enjoyed seeing our friends on their the beginning of their life as they run to the ocean to live for hopefully 80 years. Okay, boys and girls, thank you for joining me for tea time for our second part of Color Carpet Time. I hope you enjoyed it. I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.